wrote a book. Hi, I wrote a book. I wrote a book, y'all. I wrote a book. I wrote a book. Oh, shit. I'm glad I didn't break. I wrote a book, y'all. No big. Child, I wrote a book. Y'all work with me. Y'all, okay, in all seriousness, your girl, Niki with Homeschool Knockouts, I wrote a book. I wrote a book on homeschooling, and I am absolutely over the moon about it because it's done. It's in the editing phase right now, and I am just so happy to have this monkey off my back. I've been kind of on the sly talking about the book, saying I'm working on this project. That's the project. So I'm just, it's been such a labor of love. I think I've been working on this for at least 18 months, like seriously. And check me out, because if you look at all my videos, you'll see that when I stopped doing recorded videos and started doing lives, it was probably around 15 months ago or so. That's when I really started to get serious about the writing and having a writing schedule. So doing the lives was easier versus, recording and then having to edit and all that kind of stuff. But I'm done. So I'm super excited. I am like terrified. I want to be in a corner with something strong in my cup. I'm terrified, but y'all love me, so y'all gonna be gentle with me. But I wrote a book, and I wrote this book because for so many years, since I even started homeschooling, I've been helping families on their journey, families that have more experience than me, less than me, around the same. And it's always a joy. It's such a great feeling. It's a selfish feeling because you always want to feel this joy when you tell something to somebody. You're like, hey, whether it's something inspirational, motivational, practical, honest, when you're just being real and human, people connect to that. You're authentic, and they believe you, and they believe that your journey or a part of your journey could be their journey too, or something similar. And so I think with my sharing of my struggles and my failures and my successes, people have been, were more likely to listen to me and come back and share their stories about, hey, you said this and this is what I did, and thank you, or this didn't work out, but it got me thinking, so then I tried something else. So sometimes, I'm just a springboard. So I wanted to take all of those experiences and all of the love and the trials and all of that, and just put it in one book. What's going to be a series, but the first book. And just to let you know, as a homeschooling parent or guardian or whatever position you fulfill in the homeschool life of your child, that you're doing an amazing job just by doing this journey. And we're here to help. We're not perfect. We don't have all the answers, but dang it, we're going to ride this journey till the wheels fall off, and we're going to have fun as much as possible. And we're going to live, we're going to learn, we're going to laugh, all of that good stuff. So I wrote a book. I can't, it just sounds so weird when you're saying it out loud, not to yourself, right? So I'm owning it, y'all. I am owning it. So in the spirit of my Friday night lives, where I always encourage all the viewers to share their wins, however small. I like small wins because small wins turn into big ones. Well, I broke my crystal bell because I was ringing it just a little bit too hard. So I got another bell, y'all. And I'm gonna ring this one because this is my small but big win. It's got a lot of staying power, which is good. You want staying power. If I didn't touch it, it would still be ringing. All right, here we go. I wrote a book, and you will find out a lot about me from this book, like my name. Gonna find out my name and a lot of other stuff about me. So come join us for our next Friday night live. I know it's gonna be lit. You guys are gonna have a lot of questions, and I'll have answers. Kind of depends on what you're asking me, and it's going to be epic. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for being the inspiration for this book. I mean, I would not have had the confidence to do this book had it not been for all of you guys coming in week after week, month after month, sticking with me when I was like faltering and not being consistent with recordings or just videos, just all of that stuff. Just, having lives where I wasn't prepared. I'm just like shooting from the hip. You've been there. And I love you guys for that. I love you guys for that. This is Niki with Homeschool Knockouts. For all the new people coming in, we have a wonderful, active homeschooling community. We have fun. We're so helpful. We want everybody to win. So if you are not a subscriber, please come in, subscribe, join our tribe, and get some help on your homeschool journey. Okay, you can never have too much help. You can never have too much help. All right. I love you guys. I will see you on the next live and around these homeschool streets. I read a book. Oh my God. I wrote a book. Okay. Bye, y'all.